It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. I just got a question on my channel comments. Is Twisted Peppermint coming back this year? And I get that question a lot because it's not always super obvious that Bath & Body Works is bringing back what we call holiday traditions every year. So yes, it is coming back. Oh my gosh. So this is Twisted Peppermint. Was this last year? This was last year's. I'm like, I know this is last year. I was going through my stash. I don't have a lot of Twisted Peppermint left. So I'm super happy we're getting it back. And one of the things that's always confusing is how much to buy of your holiday traditions, because I mean, they're around like October, November, December into January. That's like 4 months. That's like a quarter, no, a third of the year. It's like a third of the year we have Twisted Peppermint. So it's always a good idea not to overbuy because it usually comes back. So if you're brand new to Bath & Body Works and my channel, welcome. So what is holiday traditions? Holiday traditions in past years has been like a collection of 5 or 6 holiday scents. Now Bath & Body Works is doing like a ton of product. And the holiday traditions in this case is going to be Winter Candy Apple, which by the way, look what I found. Soap from last year. I'll do a Winter Candy Apple and Vanilla Bean Noel video too. Winter Candy Apple, Vanilla Bean Noel, Twisted Peppermint. I call them like the trifecta. But what's interesting is that Winter Candy Apple and Vanilla Bean Noel are like the two at the forefront, kind of like Waikiki Beach Coconut and Bahamas Passion Fruit and Banana Flower. You know how Tropical has those? That's kind of what Vanilla Bean Noel and Winter Candy Apple are for Christmas, and then usually Twisted Peppermint shows up as the third. However, in recent years, they've been pulling Twisted Peppermint out into these side collections. This year, it's back in holiday traditions, which, by the way, is going to be faceted. Look at life inside the page. Tess, I always have the link to her blog below. Definitely check her out because she has the scoop. Now, Winter Candy Apple, Vanilla Bean Noel look like we're going to have some extra things like a body butter and the Shapeable Soap, Diamond Shimmer Mist, or Diamond Shimmer Lotion. Twisted Peppermint, I don't know if we're going to have all those things, but what's interesting is the packaging is going to be pink and it's going to have little peppermints all over it, which sounds delightful. I don't know, it looks really pretty. But the faceted, again, is going to cost extra. So I know a lot of people are a little upset about that. It's not a big deal because you're going to want to buy during those single price sales. Just got to wait for it. The other scent right now that I know about is called Golden Berry Mistletoe. I'm wondering if that's going to be kind of like a pine scent. I think there's spruce in there. I'm like, I don't know. I'm so excited about that. We'll see it when it comes out. But Twisted Peppermint is a classic Bath & Body Works scent. The scent notes are cool peppermint, sugared snow, fresh balsam. This actually has balsam in it too, believe it or not, and vanilla buttercream. It's one of the few scents, other than like Winter Candy Apple, that still has more than 3 scent notes. I mean, it's got a lot of scent notes. What's interesting is this one is not yellowed at all. This is in perfect condition, and there is nothing like Twisted Peppermint. I swear, Bath & Body Works, to me, has the most authentic peppermint, little bit of buttercream, and then the fresh balsam gives it like this wintry scent. I love Twisted Peppermint. It's always spot on. I feel like it's always very consistent, and it just smells really good. I actually use Twisted Peppermint a lot. If I have a headache, I keep some around year round, because sometimes you just want to smell peppermint, pure on beautiful peppermint, not spearmint, not wintergreen, peppermint. But you know what? That little vanilla note in there really just makes it a little bit less sharp. You know, like the Lifesaver, which I love, by the way, the Peppermints. Those are so strong. The vanilla buttercream gives it just a hint of vanilla, And the fresh balsam gives it a hint of like you can almost smell the coolness. It's amazing. Last year we did have the bar soap. I'm hoping the bar soap comes back at least. I always get the full set. There's nothing more magical than taking a shower with twisted peppermint. It feels cool. It's like you're on a snow slope. It's snowing and it's got peppermint. It's actually really wonderful. Candle, hand soap, car fragrance, concentrated room spray. I like the twisted peppermint better than crushed candy cane in the room spray. It's not quite as like intense. We should see what else. Did I say hand soap? Of course we're going to have hand soap. I love twisted peppermint in the hand soap. So, twisted peppermint coming back in the faceted. I can't wait. And it does have some lasting power. I gotta say, there's something magical about just putting on the first twisted peppermint of the season. Anyway, oh my goodness, you guys. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.